Nina Forrester, a camper within the tropical rainforest, had just finished cleaning her tent. The tent bloated on screen as Nina Forrester stared directly at the tent. Nina Forrester, as a result of this realization of her tent being complete, looked directly at her friend, Hunter Riley. Hunter Riley had just got done finishing his tent, which was modernly built. He had finished beating in the piece of the threshold of piece into the ground. And Hunter Riley immediately turns around as a result of hearing his female partner's voice. Nina Forrester responds, you done yet? Hunter responds, yeah, I'm done. Nina looks directly into the woods, but ignores what she thought she saw. For the creature had stood there, drinking water from a nearby lake in X River. The creature then shuddered and jumped into the river and jumped past an opening into the area. Hunter Riley stood directly next to Nina Forrester. Hunter responded, Nina, stay away from that animal. The river itself has toxic waste in it. I will stay away from that animal if I were you. Nina raised her eyebrows slightly. Yeah. Hunter turned back off screen and walked his way toward his tent. And glided inside. Took off his tennis shoes and lied down within the tent itself, leaving his tennis shoes outside the tent, but also zipping up the tent. Hunter yelled out to Nina, Nina, I'm taking a nap. Stay in the area. You need me? Wake me up. Nina Forrester turned around in her high-heeled shoes. Rolled her tongue slightly in her mouth. Before she could know it, a screeching sound came within the tropical rainforest. She looked around the area, and Hunter Riley came out immediately automatically. Slightly but not standing up. Hunter Riley stood up as a result of a second screech. Nina, realizing nothing of the sort of the situation at hand, a full-blown rainstorm splashed down onto them. For a dark cloud that they didn't notice beforehand, burst and rain fell onto them.